Section 1. Statement watches. First up, we have statement watches. A watch is not just a timekeeping device, it's a fashion statement that can reflect your personality. A well-chosen watch instantly adds sophistication and style to your outfit. Let's look at some trendy options. Sporty and durable. If you lead an active lifestyle or prefer a sporty look, opt for a rugged sports watch. These watches often come with features like water resistance and durable straps, making them both fashionable and functional. Classic elegance. For a more formal look, a classic analog watch with a leather or metal strap is a timeless choice. It adds a touch of elegance to any outfit, be it a suit or a casual ensemble. Bold and colorful. If you're feeling bold, consider a watch with a vibrant color or a unique design. It can become a conversation starter and make a bold fashion statement. Section 2. Stylish bags and backpacks. Now let's move on to bags and backpacks, which are not only practical but also fashion-forward accessories. Whether you're heading to school, going out with friends, or simply need a place to carry your essentials, a stylish bag or backpack is a must-have accessory. Sleek and minimalist. A sleek, minimalist backpack in neutral colors like black, gray, or navy is a versatile choice that pairs well with any outfit. It's perfect for a clean and modern look. Vintage vibes. For a retro-inspired style, consider a messenger bag or a backpack with a vintage touch. Look for distressed leather or canvas materials that exude timeless charm. Pop of color. If you want to make a statement, go for a bag in a vibrant color or with eye-catching patterns. It instantly adds personality and draws attention to your outfit.